Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be greatly appreciated. Many powerful and cool rugged Android smartphones launched this June 2023. I made videos on a number of those phones on this channel. You can check out this channel if you are interested. Today, however, I will be comparing the specifications of three powerful rugged phones that also launched this month: Unihertz Tank 2, Cubot King Kong 9, and IIIF150 Raptor. They all have very close specs but different cool designs and features. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below if you have any questions after watching the video.